Ever had that moment? The client's done, they're smiling, you're ready to wrap up, and then blank stare. You realize you're fumbling for your phone, trying to remember the exact steps to process their payment on Square appointments. You're trying to look professional, but inside you're panicking. Maybe you're new to the app, or maybe it's just been a hectic day, and your brain is a bit frazzled. You're thinking, how do I make a transaction on Square appointments again? Yeah, we've all been there. That little moment of awkwardness that can throw off an otherwise perfect client interaction. It's not just about getting paid. It's about providing a seamless, professional experience from start to finish. And let's face it, nobody wants to look like they're struggling with the tools they use every day. So let's cut to the chase. You're here because you want to master the art of processing payments on Square appointments, and I'm here to show you exactly how. Whether you're a seasoned Square user looking for a quick refresher, or a complete newbie just setting up your account, we're going to walk through the entire process step by step. We'll cover everything from charging for a scheduled appointment to handling tips, discounts, and even those tricky partial payments. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand why this matters. Square Appointments isn't just a payment processor. It's a comprehensive business management tool designed to streamline your operations. It's about more than just taking money. It's about scheduling, managing client information, and ultimately growing your business. Mastering the payment process is a crucial piece of that puzzle. Think of it like this: your expertise is the core of your business. Whether you're a hairstylist, a massage therapist, a personal trainer, or any other service provider, your skills are what bring clients through the door. But the way you handle the administrative side of things, like payments, can significantly impact their overall experience. A smooth, efficient transaction leaves a lasting positive impression, encouraging repeat business and referrals. Now, let's get down to business. First things first, open your Square Appointments app on your smartphone or tablet. You'll be greeted with your calendar, showing your scheduled appointments. Find the appointment you need to process. You can either tap directly on the appointment or navigate to your checkout tab. Once you've selected the appointment, you'll see the details, the client's name, the service provided, and the price. Here's where the magic begins. Let's say the client had a haircut and a color treatment totaling $150. You'll see that amount displayed on the screen. Now, before we hit that charge button, let's talk about some additional options. First up, tips. Everyone loves a good tip, right? Square Appointments makes it easy to add a tip to the transaction. You can either enter a custom amount or select from preset percentages like 15%, 20%, or 25%. This gives your clients flexibility and encourages them to show their appreciation for your hard work. Next, let's talk about discounts. Perhaps you're running a special promotion or you want to offer a loyal client a discount. Square Appointments allows you to apply discounts either as a percentage or a fixed amount. Simply tap the discount button, select the type of discount, and enter the value. The app will automatically calculate the new total. Now, what if the client wants to pay with a gift card? No problem. Square Appointments integrates seamlessly with Square gift cards. Tap the gift card button and either scan the gift card or manually enter the code. The app will deduct the gift card amount from the total. And what about partial payments? Sometimes clients might want to pay a portion of the total now and the rest later. Square Appointments allows for that flexibility. Tap the partial payment option, enter the amount they want to pay, and process the transaction. The remaining balance will be recorded, and you can collect it at a later time. Okay, let's assume we've added a 20% tip and applied a $10 discount. The app will automatically calculate the new total, showing you exactly how much the client owes. Now it's time to process the payment. Tap the Charge button. You'll be presented with several payment options: card, cash, or other. If the client is paying with a card, you can either swipe, tap, or insert their card using a Square reader. Alternatively, you can manually enter the card details. For cash payments, simply tap the Cash button and enter the amount received. The app will automatically calculate the change, if any. If you have other payment methods set up, such as digital wallets or third-party apps, those options will also be displayed. Once the payment is processed, you'll see a confirmation screen. You can then choose to send a receipt to the client via email or text message. This is a great way to provide them with a record of their transaction and reinforce your professionalism. Now, let's talk about some advanced features that can take your Square Appointments game to the next level. Recurring payments. If you have clients who receive regular services, like weekly massages or monthly haircuts, you can set up recurring payments. This saves you and your clients time and ensures consistent revenue. Card on file. For even faster checkouts, you can store clients' card information securely on file. This allows you to charge them with just a few taps, streamlining the payment process even further. Ensure you get proper consent before saving client card information. Invoices. Sometimes you might need to send an invoice to a client for services rendered. Square Appointments allows you to create and send invoices directly from the app. Clients can then pay the invoice online, making it convenient for both of you. Offline mode. What happens if you lose internet connection? Don't panic. Square Appointments allows you to process payments in offline mode. The transactions will be stored on your device and processed automatically once you regain internet connectivity. Reporting. Keep track of your sales and payments with Square Appointments' comprehensive reporting features. You can view detailed reports on your sales, tips, discounts, and more, giving you valuable insights into your business performance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.